Alright, so we now have a tropical storm warning issued by Miami, Florida, U.S. National Weather Service. Affected areas, coastal Collier County. Description: tropical storm warning remains in effect. Locations affected: Naples, Marco Island, Everglade City. Wind: below tropical storm force wind. Peak wind forecast 20 to 30 miles per hour with wind gust 35 miles per hour. Storm surge: local storm surge possible. The potential for up to 2 feet above ground somewhere within the surge prone areas. Window of concern: Saturday evening until early Monday morning. Flooding rain: flood watch is in effect. Peak rainfall amounts: additional 4 to 8 inches with locally higher amounts. So we have to take this quite serious. I know it's not a hurricane, but it is a tropical storm and it is a big rainmaker. So they're expecting 4 to 8 inches of rain, maybe more depending where you live. Storm surge, which is not good. We saw that 2 years ago, the storm surge. And the winds, well, that's just a bit of breeze. That's nothing to be concerned about at all. But the storm surge and the rain amounts are a concern. So we should know a little bit more tomorrow morning. I'll do the 8 a.m. forecast for you, and we'll see exactly where it's going. Right now it's heading for Everglade City, Marco Island and Naples. Alright, please make sure you're subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you later.